In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your open tabs when you close Chrome and continue exactly where you left off the next time you open it. This is one of the easiest Chrome settings to turn on, and it can save you a lot of time if you work with lots of tabs, research online, or just want your browser to reopen the same pages automatically. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu, where you can access your browser settings, history, downloads, and more. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Now Chrome will open the Settings page. On the left-hand side, you should see a menu with different categories. Look for the option called On Startup and click it. This section controls what Chrome does every time you open the browser. Here, you'll see a few startup options. To make Chrome reopen the tabs you had open before closing it, select Continue where you left off. Once you click that option, the setting is saved automatically. You do not need to press any extra save button. From now on, whenever you close Chrome and open it again later, Chrome will restore your previous session and bring back your open tabs. This is especially useful if you accidentally close the browser, restart your computer, or simply want to pick up your work without having to reopen every site manually. Keep in mind that this works best when Chrome closes normally. If your computer shuts down unexpectedly or Chrome crashes, the results can sometimes vary, but in most cases, this setting does a great job of restoring your session. If you ever want to change it back, just return to the same On Startup section in Chrome settings and choose a different option. And that's it. You've now turned on Chrome's Continue Where You Left Off feature. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in your daily workflow. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy browser tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Chrome tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.